Good morning, dear children. Welcome to computer class. Today we can do the exercises behind the textbook, and for that take page number 18 and a pencil. Take page number 18 and a pencil. First one, mark tick if the sentence is correct and cross if it is wrong. Mark tick if the sentence is correct and cross if it is wrong. First one, the keyboard usually has 200 keys. Usually, keyboard has 200 keys. Is it true? No, it is false. Second one, the longest key on the keyboard is delete key. The longest key on the keyboard is delete key. Is it true? Again false. Which is the longest key on the keyboard? Yes, spacebar key. Third one, enter key is used to bring the cursor down to the next line. Enter key is used to bring the cursor down to the next line. Is it true? Yes. Then you have to put a tick mark. Fourth one, alphabet keys are used for typing numbers. Alphabet keys are used for typing numbers. Is it true? False. Alphabet keys are used to type letters and words. So that statement is wrong. Fifth one, shift key is used with the combination of another key. Shift key is used with the combination of another key. That is true. That's why shift key is known as combination key. Next one, fill in the blanks using the words given below. You can see some clues, and from these clues you have to choose the correct answer. First one, keyboard is used to give dash to computer. Keyboard is used to give dash to the computer. Which is the correct answer? You have 5 options: to, caps lock, delete, gap and data. Which is the correct one? Data. Okay, so you have to write data over here. What is the spelling of data? D-A-T-A, data. So keyboard is used to give data to the computer. Second one, dash key is used to erase anything typed on the right side of the cursor. Dash key is used to erase anything typed on the right side of the cursor. Which key? Yes, delete key. Delete key is used to erase anything typed on the right side of the cursor. Third one, there are dash shift keys on the keyboard. You just count how many shift keys are there on the keyboard. Yes, there are 2 shift keys on the keyboard. Fourth one, dash key is used for writing in capital letters. Which key? Yes, caps lock key. Caps lock key is used to write in capital letters. Fifth one, spacebar key is used to give dash between the words. Spacebar key is used to give dash between the words. Which is the correct one? Gap. Okay, gap or space. Do you finish? Okay. Third one, choose and take the correct answer. Alphabet keys are used for typing dash. Alphabet keys are used for typing, yes, letters. You just put a tick mark inside the box and also write letters in the space given. Okay. And second one, dash key is used to move cursor onto the next line. If you want to move the cursor to the next line, we have to press which key? Yes, first option, enter key. Enter key is used to move the cursor on the to the next line. Third one, @ key is a dash. @ key is a dash. Symbol key, function key, special key. @ is a symbol, right? So it is a symbol key. Again, first option. And fourth one, dash key is used to erase anything typed on the left side of the cursor. If you want to erase anything anything on the left side of the cursor, we have to use backspace key. Backspace key is used to erase anything typed on the left side of the cursor. Fifth one, dash keys are used for moving the cursor. Dash keys are used for moving the cursor. Which key? Yes, cursor control keys. So we finished exercises and question answer I have already given, and today I have posted 2 more question answers. So you have to copy those question answers into your notebook neatly. Okay children, only this much for today. Thank you so much. Bye.